Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC in Florida. And I'm going to make this process really fast and easy. So if you want to click the link in the description below, that way you can follow along with me while I'm showing you on my screen. And by the end of this video, you can have your LLC filed. Now, I've seen a lot of tutorials that are a little confusing and kind of long. This is not one of them. I won't say that I'm the most tech-savvy person, so I like to break this down in a very, very easy way. And we're also using Tailor Brands, which is, for me, in my opinion, is the best website to use because it's very transparent and very user-friendly. So again, start by clicking that link and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is Tailor Brands. We're going to start by clicking Florida. And you're going to type in the name of your business. Now, if you do change your business name at any point, you can change it later. Click the industry that you fall into. And for this, you can click whatever best applies for you. The next few questions are more or less like a survey. Okay, I have experience. All right. And you guys, we're like 10 seconds into the video. This is the last question for section 1. There are only 3 sections, so you can see we're already blowing through this. All right, so you're going to type in your personal information. Now, this is just for Tailor Brands to have, for you to be able to go back in to access your account. So you don't have to worry about like spam or anything like that. That's not what, they're not going to do anything like that. Okay. All right, we are on section 2 out of 3 already. So let's keep going. Okay, now your business, pretty soon after you start, you're going to need an EIN number. So your EIN number is essentially like the social security number of your business. And you're going to need that if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So there's 2 ways to get it. One is getting it for free. You would get this through the IRS website. You can just type on Google IRS apply for EIN, and you can kind of follow the steps from there. I find it a little overcomplicated. So Tailor Brands does offer to do it for you, and it is $99. They will tell you the price breakdown at the end. But I think it's just easier for them to do it for me. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. Now, this is no matter what state you're in. There's really no way to get around it. And you do have to pay a renewal fee. It's different for every state. Now, in addition to that, if you think you might forget to renew it, you can have Tailor Brands do it for you, which is also an extra fee. I think it's $199 per year. So definitely good to keep in mind. If you're a busy person, you have 100,000 things going on with your business, I would check this out. But if you do want to save some money on that, we can click this option here. Okay, let's click no here, branding toolkit. If you want to learn more about it, it's just like a way to further your business, but I'm going to skip that. And to get our LLC in just 1 day, if you want to get started right away, you can get that done. It's $99 extra. I'm going to save some money here and get it done in 2 weeks. Now, this just, again, depends on your situation. If you're not in like a super rush and you can wait 2 weeks, you might as well save a little bit of money. Click this option here. Okay, now you can, it depends what address you want to use. If you want to choose to use a virtual address, let's say maybe you're a mobile business, or maybe you're not comfortable providing your home information and you really want to keep the 2 separate, that's fine. Tailor Brands offers to help you out get a virtual address. I've always used my home address even though I am a mobile business, and I haven't had any sort of issues with that. No spam mail. I actually prefer to get the mail. That's just me. I kind of prefer to get it all at once. So it's totally up to you. And an operating agreement is really important to have, especially if you have partners. So what it does is breaking down the responsibilities and ownership for all the partners involved. So that way down the line, maybe you or a partner wants to leave or sell their portion of the business. You will have this operating agreement that breaks everything down for you so there's no confusion later on. So if you want to get your operating agreement, you would click this one. If you want to skip, you can click this. Now, just so you guys know with Tailor Brands, let's say any of these options, you're clicking yes, no, whatever. And then at the end, you're like, oh my gosh, I actually do want this thing. Tailor Brands does allow you to select these options or unselect these options at the end as well. So there's really no commitment until until the very end. Okay, a formation kit, it's essentially a binder with all of the paperwork you need for, taxes, legal documents, accounting, anything that you're going to need for your business, calendars, schedules, all that stuff is going to be in here. So if you don't already have a super organized system, which without being organized, it's so hard to run a successful business. So if you want to get off on the right start, I would look into this. I'm going to click no because I kind of already have everything set up for myself. And you guys, okay, so the cool thing Tailor Brands actually is offering now that you can open your business bank account with them. So you can do this through your personal bank as well. If you choose, you can do an online bank. It doesn't really matter which bank account you use. They all have different benefits, but you can do it with Tailor Brands, and it's just right online. You don't have to go to the bank, set up an appointment, do all this like extra stuff that they do nowadays. So let's try it out. We're going to click Open Free Account. Let's see, maximize tax savings and avoid errors. Okay, so this is if you'd like help with taxes. That's awesome. This is actually brand new with Tailor Brands. So I'm just going to click I'll handle taxes myself. But definitely something to look into. If you don't have an accountant, you can trust Tailor Brands with it. And again, help with bookkeeping, invoicing. My business is very small, so I don't really need help with that. But if you have like multiple parts going on, you might need some help with it. And why worry about the things like this when you have other things to worry about? So I'm going to click I'll manage it myself. Again, you choose what's best for you. And yes, let's get notified about the status of our LLC filing. Okay, guys, we are on section 3. This is literally the last section, and we're actually almost done. So let's start by clicking See Other Options before we go through the breakdown. Now, today we're just getting the light plan. You don't have to pay anything extra in addition to your filing fee. But I do want you to check out these other plans. Now, things like this, like for $150 a month, they've actually dropped the price, which is awesome. You can get a website created. So if you've looked into getting a professional website created, it's often up at like $1,000 and up. So this is $150 for the year to get it up, get it running. And they offer all these other services as well. So listen, $150 a year is like $15 a month or something. Don't quote me if I'm wrong on the number, but it's pretty low. Definitely recommend looking into it if you need some help with other things in your business. But today, I told you we would save money, so let's do the light plan. And so here's what we're paying for today. So the light plan is free, so no money goes to Tailor Brands. The Florida state filing fee is $130. And you guys, this is just Florida's filing fee. You can say, it says, the state of Florida charges a total of $130 for LLC filing paid directly to the Secretary of State. So this is just a mandatory fee that has to be paid in Florida. Now, all these other options we either selected or did not select. And if you change your mind on anything, you can unselect it. EIN, we want that. And today we are only paying for the LLC. Now, after your LLC is filed, then they will begin to get your EIN number. So first is LLC and then EIN. Right, you guys, that's it. You're literally done. And I hope you found this really easy to follow along with. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. And good luck with your business.